Hey, I'm here at the closing table with Tim. We just bought a building from him in Bloomington, and I just wanted to ask Tim to share a little bit about his experience with our group and how it went.
When I first received the offer, I asked major questions of Eric and Harrison. Who are these guys? In my experience, I've had some very good experiences selling buildings to people and some negative ones when it was the wrong people. And I was very concerned that I not get connected to the wrong people that would make my life miserable. And we naturally had some negotiations we had to work through. But in the end, Mike has done what he said he would, just like they told me. This is a guy who, they said he runs 100 miles an hour, but he does what he says. and that's the way it's turned out. So at this point, I'm a happy camper.
All right. Thanks a lot, Tim, for sharing. And it's been a great transaction from our end as well. You've been great to work with, and wish you the best of luck in the next steps in your life.
Thank you.